Well, hi everyone. I'm on page 282 of our textbook, and I'm looking at number 80 here, and just using some of the SOHCAHTOA techniques to solve problems. And in traveling across flat land, you notice a mountain directly in front of you. So this is my mountain, or from the middle of the mountain to the peak of the mountain, that line. Its angle of elevation to the peak is 3.5 degrees. After you travel 13 miles, the angle of elevation is 9 degrees. Approximate the height of the mountain. So, all right, so it's not drawn to scale. 3.5 degrees would be a lot smaller than, it'd be like very small angle. But so what we're going to do is we're going to look at, I'm going to put a value here to get the full distance. I just don't know what it is from here to the middle of the mountain there. So we'll call that x, and that's this distance from here to here. Now, if I look at this triangle, the tangent of 3.5 degrees is equal to h over x plus 13. Now I have two variables there. I have two unknowns there. So I'm going to have to think of something else. So I'm going to look at this triangle here. And now that tangent of 9 degrees is equal to h over x. So what I'm seeing here is if I work with each one of these and solve each one for h, so I'm going to take x plus 13 on both sides of this one. Okay, and I have, those cancel, so I have h is equal to x plus 13 times the tangent of 3.5 degrees. Now, on this one, if I multiply both sides by x, I have h equals x times the tangent of 9 degrees. All right, well, if h, it's the same mountain, so these heights are the same. So as I see it, x plus 13 times the tangent of 3.5 degrees is equal to x times the tangent of 9 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that my calculator is in degree mode. Let me look at mode here. We're in radian mode there, so let's get it in degree mode. And I'm going to take, this won't work if it's not, I'm going to take the tangent of 3.5 degrees. And I get 0.06116. I'm going to go that far. 0.06116 times x plus 13 is equal to, I'm going to take the tangent of 9 degrees, 0.15838. 0.15838x. This is 0.06116x plus, let's go 13 times 0.06116, 0.79508 equals 0.15838x. And I'm going to subtract 0.15838x from both sides. Why am I doing that? I'm going to subtract 0.06116 from both sides. X from both sides. All right, and get 0.79508 equals, so let's take 0.15838 minus 0.06116, 0.09722, 0.09722 x. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 0.09722. Point 79508 divided by 0.09722. I get 8 point, I'm going to go, x is approximately 8.2 miles. I'll just do, I'm going to go 8.18 miles. Okay. So this is about 8.18 miles. All right. Now we're in business here. Because now I'm going to look at this big triangle, because now we know that from here we're 21.18 miles. I'm just adding these two together. We know that we have this 3.5 degree angle. And we need h. Okay, do I have room to show here? Yeah, still looking at it? Okay. So the tangent of 3.5 degrees is equal to h over 21.18 miles. So tangent of 3.5, h, if I multiply both sides by 21.18, I get 21.18 times the tangent of 3.5 degrees. 21.18 times tangent of 3.5 degrees. That's 1 point, I'm just going to go 1.3 miles. H is approximately 1.3 miles. So that's the height. If I multiply that by 5,280 feet per 1 mile, miles will cancel. And I'll just multiply this by 5,280. So 6,839. I'm going to go round to the nearest foot, 6,840 feet, the height of that mountain. All right, there we go.